We're Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti, the heavy hitters.
The heavy hitters, do it again. Call 1-800.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Albany, NY, Columbia, NY, Fulton, NY, Greene, NY, Montgomery, NY, Rensselaer, NY, Saratoga, NY, Schenectady, NY, Schoharie, NY, Warren, NY, Washington, NY, beginning at 9:08 a.m. and ending at 11:08 a.m. WRGB. The New York State Police has requested an Amber Alert for Rouge Berrios from Pittsfield, Ma, who was abducted by David Wilson of Schenectady. David Wilson may be driving a blue 2013 Toyota Tacoma with New York registration LQX 1185. If located, please call 518-783-3211 or 911. For more details, go to https://amber.newyork.gov.
6:30 to 10 p.m. Wes Guptill, the owner, said the closure due to the pandemic was really